Hello everyone, it's Cubastic. Today I have a package here on my desk and it is really unusual. I don't know what's inside. The thing is that I have a big team and many of these guys agreed to send me packages specifically that way that I don't know what is inside and I have no idea. But I know for sure that there is something handmade. Since it's on my desk, it definitely has something to do with puzzles, and the only thing I know for sure is the person who sent it to me. This package came to me from the author of a YouTube channel called Engineer Bruns. Let's see what you've sent to me, Engineer Bruns. I'm excited, I hope you are too. I have already checked this channel for a bit, and I know he makes puzzles with his own hands. Let's see what these puzzles really are, how they look, and what exactly I have now. I have two boxes here. With which one you think I should start, big or small? Let's start with a small one. It is so light and it's not clear. By the way, there is also a cross on it. I have no idea why. Perhaps it's even part of the puzzle. Let's open it. I can already see something. Packed really well. So, Bruns. Good. This is the channel's logo as I understand it. Bruns. Okay then. Now let's find out what's inside the box. Is it packed like that on purpose so that it would be longer and more interesting for me to unpack it? Is it so? Okay. A metal object is wrapped in paper here. And that is... wow. It looks crazy. And this is a puzzle. Or not? Or is it just a weird object? Or is it a puzzle? Wow. It looks so cool. Look. This is a metal cube, in which there is a metal cube, in which there is a metal cube. And I don't really understand how this is possible. I'm sure that this kind of puzzle cannot exist. These cubes couldn't gradually fit one inside the other. It's just impossible. Most likely, this really impossible thing was made directly from one single piece of metal, and inside each cube, another cube was created. It's cool. This is a very precise, detailed work. And most likely this is just a small bonus to what we will have in the big box. It's cool, it's really cool. Has anyone seen my laptop? Oh, there it is. Oh, you're all here! Guys, you all know that I love solving puzzles and they are often in my hands, but I found a way to solve the puzzle being inside it. You all know about the escape rooms, and now we can play escape rooms online. The escapegame.com allows you to play one of their real in-store escape rooms live with your friends and family from anywhere in the world using Zoom. You are able to choose one of actual escape rooms located in New York and San Francisco. These games are happening live and are hosted by the team of game guides. All experiences are private. You can start, stop and save your progress whenever you want. Escape Game also provides epic virtual team building activities for group of 4 to infinity. Choose your adventure and enjoy the unforgettable live virtual experience. God, this is amazing! Now I'm curious what is here. I already want to see a cool, challenging puzzle. I want to see it, I want to try to solve it. It may be not possible to solve it, just like this cube in a cube. So everything is packed so tightly here too, and Engineer Bruns really worked well with the packaging for it to arrive in perfect condition. And also it's made for me to really enjoy unpackaging and to get excited apparently. So I already see some kind of metallic element here, but it's not clear what it is. I hope that I will not do anything wrong with this puzzle or with what is inside. Okay, there it is. Oh, this is heavy! How much I love all this, handmade stuff. So we slowly unfold the paper and see what is inside. Wow! How cool is that? This is a puzzle. This is clearly a puzzle, a metal puzzle. And the task is most likely what? To free these things? And it looks amazing. Just look at this in more detail. I want to say bravo, because I see that this puzzle is handmade. It's metal and really well made. For me, this is most important thing, that you can enjoy the puzzle. In this video I offer to make a small overview of this puzzle and in one of the following to solve it. I really regret that I unpacked this puzzle at the end of the day, almost at night. But nevertheless, probably tomorrow I will come to the studio and solve this puzzle. I will post this video for you, and in order not to miss it, be sure to subscribe to the channel right now. And while I have the opportunity, I also want to announce one of the future videos, where there will be the most difficult Rubik's Cubes created with a 3D printer. We will unpack them and make the overview. And now let's see how difficult a puzzle from a person named Bruns is. A puzzle which is called… let's come up with a name for it. Let's be creative. Judging by these… Exactly! These are symbols of fire, water, earth and air, like in the Fifth Element. Let's call it like that, Fifth Element puzzle. For real, there are 4 elements: fire, earth, air, water, and the 5th element is most likely what is inside, because it looks like it's… oh, look, something fell out. Apparently this is a hidden place. By the way, it turns and falls out. Here, as I understand it, several metals were used, because apparently these slightly yellow parts are made of brass. Damn! It would be cool, of course, if you had to really heat these parts, cool them with water, wind, earth in order to get them. And our task is to somehow separate these 2 logs, and as far as I understand, we should remove the upper part. I think so. Yes, I can see it. This puzzle has 2 pieces, but these are the key. In general, I should say that I didn't expect that mystery box would appear on my table today. I was not ready for this. And even more, I wasn't ready that such cool, really unbelievable things would be inside. First of all, there is an impossible cube in the cube in the cube, which can only be created from 1 piece. I'm really interested in how this was done. And secondly, a great puzzle that is also really difficult to solve, I think, but it looks just incredible. An impossible puzzle, we will call it the 5th element. It's really interesting to know what is inside. If it sounds amazing to you, then be sure to like this video and do not miss the solving of this puzzle and other interesting puzzles on my channel. I also noticed that these videos unpackaging of secret mysterious boxes has already been repeated several times in a row on my channel. Maybe I should make it from time to time, make it a regular rubric. Maybe I should find some cool people who can prepare such mysterious packages for me, and then we unpack them on a video. I think that if you like this format, we will definitely do it, because I really like this idea. Today I really enjoyed it. Guys, you just have to write in the comments what you think about this idea. Write it down in the comments, and I just have to thank Mr. Bruns again for the puzzles. Have good rest, and tomorrow I will be filming the solving of this incredible, fantastic puzzle. Just look at this beauty. In the meantime, bye everyone and have a good time. That was Cubastic.